when I started taking sessions with you, the thing was I had flashbacks because I was cheated on by someone, and I was just carrying forward that trauma with myself. Even though it's not that I wasn't holding myself accountable, but in the process of acknowledging it, I was not only just acknowledging it, but I was taking the blame away from someone else and taking it on myself. Over time, even though spirituality plays a vital role here, but you made me realize that not everything is my responsibility. I'm just responsible for the actions that I have done based on my limited knowledge. I came with a complaint of having palpitations, not being able to sleep. I used to break down at any given point, and I would not be able to speak as I am confidently today. Professionally, I was struggling. I gave up on my license. Being an advocate, I was not someone who would voice up for myself, let alone the world be. Today, I don't know what happened to me this morning. I read the newspaper that, okay, whoever wants to get their license back or they have given up, they can appear for the test. And I did not have that in me for 2 years. I just said, okay, whatever it is, no matter how much of investment of it is for, studying it all over again, I'll just go and give that exam. I just woke up, I signed up for it, I have paid the fees. I'm getting my license back for advocacy. I let go of the other person. And one of my oldest friends asked me out. I told him I need my own time. But that time is not because I want to know him better. The time is to see whether what all I can get in this life. Like, I just don't want to hold myself, and I have detached myself to a larger extent. Earlier, I would just get attached and I would think, oh, I would not get any better, and I would just stick to whatever came my way without realizing my own potential. And I feel like I had gotten really far from spirituality. I made a timetable that, okay, I'm going to sleep this many hours instead of sleeping throughout the morning, and I'm going to do my prayers. I will give 1 hour to God, I will give 1 hour to my mom, 1 hour to my sister. I divided my time. Since I'm not able to work right now, I started walking properly. So the pain I used to feel in my right ankle after the fracture, and I was not able to walk, I had an infection, everything just got healed. I'm walking, I did not take any therapy, nothing was there.
Very good.
So it felt like I let go of one thing and I gained many other things
Positive.
over these 3 years, over these 3 weeks. Yeah,
3 weeks. And how many times you took the therapy? Two
I took
sessions?
3 sessions.
3 sessions. Okay, great. And you had come with anxiety, and how is your anxiety and panic attacks now?
Anxiety and panic attacks are much less, or actually, they are not there. And whenever I feel anxious, what I do is I write down everything on one piece of paper and I burn it.
Great.
So when I burn it, it feels like I'm releasing something that is not for me to hold.
Awesome. Awesome.
That's what I've been doing.